How long do you have to return items to Amazon? Please leave a like and consider subscribing if this helps. So there is a way to check how long you have to return an item, and you can do this by simply heading over to your orders by hovering over your name to the top right of the Amazon homepage and then clicking on your orders. From here, click on return or replace items. This button will be available if it's still within the return window, so click on that. Once you've clicked on that, you will see the option to return the item, and it will also tell you underneath the yellow button, return eligible through 22nd of March, which is 30 days after I purchased the product. For most Amazon websites, you have 30 days to return your item. As you can see here for myamazon.co.uk, it says that they offer returns for most items within 30 days of receipt of delivery. It may be different for some websites, but you can simply check by going to your orders, going to return or replace items, and seeing how long your return is eligible for.